Welcome to the Tech channel. In this video we look at some jobs that are safe from AI bots. The study in collaboration with ChatGPT creator, OpenAI, and the University of Pennsylvania looked at the effect of large language models, LLMs, such as ChatGPT on the labor market. Check out the list of jobs that don't face any exposure from AI bots. Electrical power line installers and repairers. The major tasks of electrical power line installers and repairers involve installing, repairing, and joining electrical transmission, supply cables, and related equipment that cannot be done by an AI bot. Agricultural equipment operators. Their work involves driving and controlling equipment that is used in agricultural activities such as tilling soil, planting, harvesting, and cultivating crops, or removing animal waste. Thus, this job is away from exposure of AI bots. Athletes and sports competitors. Sportspersons practice to develop and improve their skills. They train, exercise, and follow special diets to stay in their best physical condition, which cannot be done by ChatGPT. Cafeteria attendants. They prepare and serve food to people in a courteous customer service-oriented manner. Again, AI bots cannot perform this job. Bartenders. Bartenders directly deal with customers as they mix and serve them the drinks. This job cannot be performed by an AI tool. Auto mechanics. An auto mechanic services and repairs automobiles, sometimes specializing in a couple of automobile brands. The behavior of the job itself reduces the risk of AI bots taking up the task. Carpenters. Carpenters generally construct, install, and repair various residential, commercial, and industrial structures and fixtures. This manual work cannot be performed through ChatGPT. Plumbers. Plumbers install and repair pipes and fixtures that carry water, gas, or other fluids in homes. Again, this is manual work that an AI bot cannot perform. Painters. A painter works on mixing paints for different requirements and applies them using brushes or rollers to color walls and fill in cracks. The job requires a lot of manual work, thus painter's job is away from the exposure of ChatGPT. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and share.